Check it out, guys. It's our new truck. Auto Mafia shop truck. Heck yeah.
That's good. All right, guys, so here we are. 2004 F350 6-liter turbo diesel. A little bit of a project, obviously. Picked it up for a pretty good price, I think, and it's gonna be our shop truck. I'm excited.
Watch for oil.
Alright guys, thanks for watching once again. This is the Powerstroke build. It's big, it's bad, and it's gonna be beautiful eventually. I appreciate you guys watching. I know this was just a short teaser, but stay tuned for part 1, and we're gonna have some fun with this one. Just you wait. Keep those tires smoking, the flashing lights behind you, and peg that speedo.